Howdy all y'all haters. This is my Seadoo XP. I wish it was a purple bottom, but you know, it's very fucking sick. I love this thing. This thing's awesome. I'm working on it right now. The ECU in there, like a part of it to do with the charging system. When you get to start, it runs really bad. It does good for a minute, bad at other moments. It's got to like warm up before it does anything. It's just not doing well. And I found out exactly which component is doing it. It's the rectifier. I already pulled it. I'm going to replace it, and we'll test it, see where it goes from there. Okay, so here's the old rectifier. The new one's like a black cover. It's weird. The wiring order, somewhat easy to figure out. Red, and one only went this way, and then two went this way for the yellow plugs. I might have to move those two around, but hopefully this fixes my issue.